Hello YouTube, Oliver here from Caravan Cubs, and I'm going to teach you how to change your 12 volt element on your Thetford fridge in your Caravan. Don't worry if you don't know how to remove the fridge, that is on another video which I'll put in the comments section. It literally will take you 5 minutes, but what we're worried about is this, the 12 volt element, and this is what you're looking for. It says 12V on it and not 240 or 230, okay? So that's the one you want to, and you want to trace the cables there. Then going to remove this using the Phillips. So let's just quickly do that now. So make note of where these cables go in, okay? So I'd suggest taking a picture of where these two go in. Next, remove any cable ties. I just pulled that one through there, to be fair, and just free up this whole element. Okay, so you're gonna have to follow it all the way back down there as well. Okay, it then should go all the way from there down there into this element here, and then yeah, we're just gonna pull this out. He says, I'm gonna pull that out, that cable tie. Then we're gonna get it out of there. Right, now I've got to remove the outer casing. As you can see, there's a little tab there. We're just gonna squeeze it together, and that should remove the casing. And sorry, I'm trying to use my knee to prop it up as well. And there should be one on the bottom as well. There you go, that's that sort of removed. And you've got your two elements, your 240 and your 12. 240 looks nice and wiggly. My tie's a bit stiff there. So I'm just gonna wiggle it, and eventually it should come out, okay? Don't know if mine's particularly awkward, but if you can see, that rust sort of line there is just how far I've got it out. So I haven't really got too far, and I've probably been at it for a couple of minutes now, so don't give up. Sweet, and there it is, out. So yeah, if you were to do this on 240, you would just do the 240 element instead. But yeah, so what I'm going to do now is get the numbers off this and order a new one. It should be about £30. So new parts arrived. I just want to show you something on it, and I'm going to turn the camera around, just make it. As you can see, part number 62336, but the Thetford part number is 623065. So just be aware of that. If you Google it, the AI suggestion will say that they are the same. But yeah, just be aware of that. What we're going to do is pop the new tube into that hole there, and then we're going to trace the cables around and just cable tie it to the 240 volt one all the way up, okay? I don't know if it makes a difference, but I'm not actually touching the element itself as this gets hot, and obviously the natural oils on your finger may cause it to go wrong. Now, I don't know if that's common practice, but I know stuff like car light bulbs are quite sensitive. So, you know, it's just a precaution I'm taking. So put one on there for now. I've loosened off these to get this under. I'm then going to plug it in, and then I'm going to tidy it up with the cable ties afterwards. So that one goes in there, he says. And this one, we're going to have to give it a bit more room. It goes into the back there. So it's that little one's in there, nice and tight. That one's in. Just going to cable tie this together and tighten them down. Next, now it's all nice and neat, we're just going to reattach this cover the same way you undone it. So just a couple of checks, make sure all this is out of the way and it's following there, make sure it's all cable tied in, make sure they're plugged in the right thing, make sure that's all good, and then we're going to push it back in. The first thing we're going to do is just make sure all the wires are out of the way. Might be worth having an assistant from the grill side just pulling the wires to make sure they don't get stuck. Thanks very much for watching. We're a family of 6. We're going to be showing you loads of budget friendly repairs, trips, etc. all over the UK. We're about to go on a road trip, so please make sure you subscribe to follow that on the 1st of August. But yeah, we'll see you on the next one.